Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily pair your Denon speaker with any iPhone or iPad. So to do this, first of all you have to click and hold this power button to turn on our speaker. I just turned it off, so right now turn it on. And to enable the pairing mode, click and hold the play and the pause button until this indicator starts blinking. There we go. Right now you have to go to the settings, go for the Bluetooth, turn it on with this switcher, and from the devices list you have to pick your Denon speaker. As you can see, we are successfully connected. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.